The 2-liter 4-cylinder BMW 220d generates output of 190 horsepower at 4,000 RPM and peak torque of 400 Nm from 1,750 to 2,500 RPM. All of this means the sprint to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, from rest takes just 7.5 seconds, on the way to a top speed of 235 km per hour, 146 miles per hour. The BMW 220d burns 4.5 to 4.2 liters of diesel for every 100 km in the combined cycle. The engine in the 220d features 2-stage turbocharging with a pair of turbochargers of different sizes, resulting in even sharper response and superior efficiency. The turbocharging system comprises a low-pressure stage with variable turbine geometry and a high-pressure stage integrated fully into the exhaust manifold. To further enhance responsiveness, both turbochargers are equipped with the latest slide-bearing technology. This system is controlled by means of the low-pressure stage's electrically adjustable charger vanes as well as the wastegate valve for the high-pressure stage and a compressor bypass, which are both operated pneumatically. This allows the combustion chambers to be supplied with just the right amount of compressed air given the driving situation and amount of power demanded by the driver. Further improvements have been made to the shift comfort and acoustic properties of both the 8-speed Steptronic transmission fitted in the BMW 220d and the 8-speed Steptronic Sport transmission in the BMW M235i xDrive. Swift automatic gear changes ensure the car is driving in the highest possible gear, even when traveling at low speeds. The driver can also change gear manually using the shift paddles on the steering wheel, optional on the 220d. The BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe is equipped as standard with full LED headlights, which lend the car an extremely modern expression. The transparent, hexagonal tubes of the daytime driving lights form a precise and technically striking interpretation of the signature BMW 4i front end. The BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe showcases itself as a genuine driving machine. The driver looks straight out to the, up to 10.25-inch, info-display instrument cluster. The likewise 10.25-inch high-resolution control display is centrally mounted, touch-sensitive and angled towards the driver in customary BMW fashion. It is positioned perfectly in their line of sight. Together, the two screens form the BMW Live Cockpit Professional, a large display grouping which the driver can configure to their individual requirements.